Hey guys, so आज का वीडियो मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है, मेरे लिए बहुत इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट एंड दैट्स बिकॉज आज आई बी आंसरिंग ऑल योर पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस, थिंग्स दैट यू आस्क्ड मी ऑन माई पर्सनल लाइफ एंड एवरीथिंग। और मुझे इतना मज़ा आया वीडियो बनाने में, सो आई होप आपको भी देखने में उतना ही मज़ा आएगा। आई बी टॉकिंग फ्रीली, ओपनली। आई वॉन्ट टू कनेक्ट विद एवरी सिंगल पर्सन हु इज वॉचिंग द वीडियो राइट नाउ, with every single one of you. And yeah, I just hope you love the video and I just hope you have a lot of fun watching it. Okay, so firstly, before we begin, I was just like, ignore karo. So before we begin, I would just like to say कि ये video might be a bit लंबा than my usual videos again, and so please do watch both parts. I might make 2 parts of it. Please do watch both parts because I want to answer every question of yours. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है honestly आंसर करने में questions आपके. So without wasting any of your time, let's get into it. So the first question is, what's your age? I am 20 years old. I think मेरे Instagram के bio में लिखा है मैंने कि I'm 20. So yeah, please do go follow me there. Second is a must watch movie and series according to you. So मैं इतनी series देखता नहीं हूँ, but मैंने just कल ही complete किया एक series which is Man Like Mobeen के नाम से है. It is amazing. Please do watch it. And a must watch movie, my favorite movie is ZNMD, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. मुझे full movie by heart है वो. It's so good. And my top 5 movies, I think बाद में question आता भी है वो, but my favorite movie is भागम भाग. Amazing movie. Next question. Who is your role model? So I think मैं पहले ही बोल चुका हूँ कि my mom is my role model, and for a lot of reasons, but mainly because of her work ethic and the way she is as a person. She works so much. She works all day, all night, and still comes home to give her family the love and affection which we all need. So that's why I want to be like her when I grow up, which I will for sure, because yeah, I will be like her. Tell us about your skincare routine. Okay, perfect. So there's this thing I use every day with मेरे से मुंह धोता हूँ मेरा. It's called साबुन. या सो आई जस्ट हाथ पे रगड़ो, मुंह पे रगड़ो, फिर पानी छिड़को, बस. दैट्स इट. दैट्स माई स्किन केयर रूटीन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट्स योर बिगेस्ट पेट पीव? तो ऑनेस्टली आई डिडंट नो व्हाट पेट पीव वाज. मुझे पता नहीं था, तो मैं कल रात गूगल किया पेट पीव क्या होता है. एंड व्हाट आई अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम गूगल इज दैट पेट पीव इज समथिंग दैट मेक्स यू रियली अनॉयड, विच आपको बहुत तंग करता है वो. एंड दैट फॉर मी इज lying. I hate lying honestly. I hate lying honestly. तो फिर what happens is, if you don't like something about me, tell it to my face. मुझे सामने आके मुझसे बोल. Don't try to sugarcoat it. Don't try to make it sound nice and then tell me. मुझे straight forward बोल, because honestly that's how I would tell someone else कि मुझे ये बात पसंद नहीं है आपके बारे में. So just सामने बोल दे मुझे मुँह पे. I'll take it. Next question. Single or taken? बाद में बोलूँगा आपको. What do you look for in a girl? So honestly, I don't look for anything in a girl, but the qualities which I like or which I find attractive are when someone is passionate about what they are doing in life. As an example, के लिए I love fitness. Fitness is my life, and I am extremely focused in that area of my life. So if I find someone who is as passionate as I am for fitness in what he or she is doing, then I have a bond with that person. And when I have that bond in a girl, I love that girl. So yeah, passion is what actually I look for in a girl. How has the quarantine changed you both mentally and physically? So physically, पहले तो I lost a lot of weight. Due to the gyms closing, इतना intense workout घर पे नहीं होता है. And I think no one knows this, but I got malaria, I think 2 months ago. I was on bed rest for 2 weeks, but वो 2 week में I lost a lot of weight. I lost I think 4 kgs in total अभी तक. And I think I've gained also 2 now, which is a very good thing. So thank you for that. एंड मेंटली आई ऑलवेज इतना इंपॉर्टेंस दिया है उसको मैंने कि नेवर टेक एनी थिंग फॉर ग्रांटेड. नेवर टेक एनी थिंग वेरी लाइटली. ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर एवरी सिंगल थिंग यू हैव, इवन इफ इट्स समथिंग वेरी स्मॉल. कि यू हैव अ रूफ ओवर योर हेड, यू हैव फूड टू ईट, यू हैव हॉट फूड टू ईट, यू हैव अ वेरी नाइस फैमिली. बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. बी always keep saying thank you. It takes 5 seconds. Just close your eyes and say thank you so much for everything. I am really grateful. That's it. That's all it takes. So yeah, that's what mentally I've been focusing on. When is your birthday? 4th December. Next question. Are you single? बाद में बोलूँगा. I think ऐसे बहुत क्वेश्चंस, आई थिंक 153 क्वेश्चंस, आई थिंक या 153 क्वेश्चंस में से 30 वो आर यू सिंगल, तो ये सबको बोलूँगा बाद में. डू यू थिंक यू विल स्टार्ट ब्लॉगिंग और मेकिंग डेली व्लॉग्स or workout challenges with friends and fam? Yes, I would for sure. Very slowly I would start increasing my category of from fitness to lifestyle and everything else, but abhi ke liye I'm just going to stick to fitness and health and everything else. But yes, very surely, very soon. How old are you and what have you studied? So I am 20 years old and I still am studying. I'm giving my I'm in my last year of my graduation. Complete karunga abhi. I'm doing BMS. So yeah, last year baki hai mera. प्लीज़ शेयर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ गेटिंग सच बॉडी, मतलब क्या किया, कैसे किया, कब किया, कहाँ. ओके, सो आई आंसर वन बाय वन. ठीक है, लेट्स गो. क्या किया? वर्कआउट किया, अच्छा खाना खाया, हैड अ पॉजिटिव माइंड मेनली. कैसे किया? आई ऑलवेज फोकस्ड ऑन व्हाट आई वाज ईटिंग. आई ऑलवेज हैड गुड थिंग्स टू ईट. आई स्टॉप शुगर मेनली. I always, and main thing is I always had that mindset कि I have to be this way in life, I have to look this way, so I was working towards that. So मेरे मन में वही था, वो मेरा गोल था. So yeah. कब किया? I started 2 years ago in the month of April, and yeah, that's how my journey began in the fitness industry. कहाँ किया? जिम में किया, घर पे किया. Yeah, I like you so much. Please, can you tell me what type of girl you want in your life? It will be to a girl who's actually compatible with me, who actually understands what I'm doing, understands my work, understands how I am, and honestly, I am too hyper. Compatible, be understanding with that. So yeah. In how many relationships have you been? Okay, so I have been in 3 relationships. We were dating for 5 years. Then again in I think 11th ke end mein I started dating for I think 1 year 3 months. And then I was dating for 3 months. So yeah, three girlfriends I've had. Do you have beef with Ashna? I don't have beef with Ashna because I think वो vegan है. First class. So yeah, no, so I've been getting a lot of questions about what happened between me and Ashna, fight हुआ है क्या, and honestly no fight नहीं हुआ है. The thing is, she's family, and families have quarrels, families have fights, and we have many fights. But the best thing about us is we understand each other, we understand what the other person's problems are, we understand how we are, and we sort stuff out. And वो हमने नहीं किया, so it's all cool now, honestly. Thank God for that. Have you smoked weed? I don't smoke, so yeah. One second. हाँ पक्के बोल. अरे यार शौविकनी सगळ्यांची मारून ठेवली बे. शौविक आणि रिया चक्रवर्ती यार सगळ्यांना पकडून ठेवले. ठीक आहे, एक काम कर, मी माझ्या इकडून माल आणतो, माझा माणूस आहे त्याकडून माल घेतो मी. ओके चल, बाय बाय. या सॉरी, माय पूरा अर्जंट कॉल था. Next question is, what's your favorite cheat meal, and also choose between spicy food or dessert. Okay, so my favorite cheat meal is anything and everything my sister makes. My sister is 16 years old and she cooks amazing food. Baba, खूप चांगलं असतं ते, खूप मस्त असतं. And yeah, so anything she makes, I love it. She makes pizzas, she makes pastas, she makes spring rolls, butter chicken. Oh, butter chicken, superb. Spicy food and dessert. I honestly hate spicy food. मला तिखट बिलकुल नाही चालत, मला जमतच नाही honestly. And yeah, so dessert, obviously I love sugar. What do you do on those days when you don't feel like working out? So yeah, so what happens is when you don't feel like working out, always keep telling yourself कि तूने start क्यों किया, तूने workout start क्यों किया. There has to be a reason why you wanted to work out in the first place. Honestly, I started because I wanted to look a certain way, I wanted to be healthy, I wanted to be fit. And that's what keeps me going, because I haven't reached my goal yet of looking that certain way. And yeah, so I wear this all the time, and इस पे लिखा है कि when you feel like quitting, think about why you started. So this is what reminds me all the time. Do you have any sort of phobia? Honestly, I don't have any sort of phobia. नहीं है. Have you ever been in love? Ooh, of course I have. So if you're talking about a girl, then every single girl I've dated, I've honestly been entirely in love. Yeah, so yeah, I've been in love. 3 questions. First is your height. I am 5'8". Your favorite muscle group to train? Legs. Your favorite sport outdoor? Football, for sure. All top 3 of your favorite movies, series, books, songs, and anime. Okay, so top three movies. Firstly, let's go. First is obviously Bhagam Bhag. Second is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. And third is Golmaal 3. Oh, I can't choose top three, but I love comedy. Series, I don't watch itne series. The Office is one of my favorites. The Office. Then I love this new show called Upload on Prime पे है. Yeah. So this new show called Upload बहुत अच्छा था. Books, I don't really read books. Last book I read was this amazing author का book. It also got a national award for the book. It's called Tinkle. तो Tinkle पढ़ी थी last मैंने. Supandi is my favorite. He's the goat. Songs, top 3 songs तो नहीं है, but top 3 artists I love. My favorite category of songs is hip hop, Hindi and English. I'm right now currently into that Punjabi hip hop wala full thing. So Sidhu is my favorite right now, Sidhu Moosewala. And anime, I don't watch anime honestly. I've watched 1 or 2 I think. One is My Hero Academia और एक है I think Assassination Classroom. Both were amazing. Mountain person or a beach person? I am a ghar person. I don't like going out. I love staying home. I love being with my dogs. I love being home. I love watching TV. I don't like going out at all. How did you know that being a fitness trainer is your passion? And how did it change you as a person? Okay. So no matter what you want to do in life, always focus on that one thing that drives you. Okay? With me, that was workout. With me, that was fitness. And when I started working out 2 years ago, slowly I understood कि मतलब my body is changing, my mentality changed, my mindset changed a lot. It became so positive, and honestly, the person I am right now sculpted due to workout, due to fitness. And that's what I want for every single person. My grandfather says this, that there are only 2 people in this world who can change a person physically and mentally, and that is, one is God and one is a trainer. So yeah, that's what I wanted to be. That's what my main goal was, to actually help change people's lives for the better, obviously. Next question is, would you ask a girl out directly or befriend her and get to know her first? Second one, befriend her and get to know her first, because I can't just ask a girl out directly, because if I don't know the person, if I don't know if I'm comfortable with the person, I won't date the girl for sure. I need to be open with the person. I need to be, I need to be like khulke, like be myself with her. And just go with the flow in that. So yeah, befriend her first and then date her. Tell your mom that she is way beautiful and her work as an artist, 100 heart, done, bol dunga for sure. But yeah, she is an amazing actress. I'm a big fan, honestly, very big fan. Next question, do you prefer casual dating or a serious long-term relationship? Serious long-term relationship. I don't go for casual stuff, I don't like that. Long-term is the goal. What qualities do you consider for someone to be a good friend? Okay, so firstly, I have to be open with the person. I have to be myself with the person. I can tell the person anything and everything that happens. मतलब आज मैं टट्टी की, आज मेरा कड़क हुआ, मैं सब बात करूँगा उसके बारे में. And if I do that with the person, that person is very close to me. What is your favorite cheat meal? I have to have 2 things on my cheat day. First is pizza for sure, and second is McDonald's. So introvert or extrovert? So I am an anti-social extrovert. जिसका मतलब है कि I hate going out. Honestly, I hate leaving my house. I hate going out for parties. I hate going out to meet people. But when I go out, I have fun with every single person there. I dance with everyone. I have fun with everyone. I make everyone laugh, and I just vibe with every single person. But that's if I go out, which is very rarely. Which college do you attend? I go to ML Dhanukar College, Parla East. What does Arya mean? I think Arya means the best person in the world. So I don't know what it actually means, but I think मैंने किधर तो पढ़ा था कि it means civilized. What body feature do you like the most on yourself? I love my entire body. I love every single thing about my body, and you should too, honestly, because once you attain that self-love, you have so much more to give. So yeah, what's your favorite feature? My entire body. So do you believe in zodiac signs? I honestly don't believe in all that at all, क्योंकि I don't feel कि मतलब मेरे बहुत दोस्त ऐसे हैं जो believe करते हैं कि मतलब अगर एक person Capricorn है example के लिए, so that person is very friendly, that person is very outgoing, very extrovert type person who always helps others. But thank you. Honestly, I don't believe in all that at all, because I feel a person is not the way he or she is just because of a zodiac sign. The mindset is the most important thing. Do you like Punjabi songs? Love from Punjab. Oh, I love Punjabi songs. I'm currently listening to वैसे बहुत Punjabi rap artists such as Fateh. I'm listening to Sidhu Moosewala. Honey Singh तो पहले से I was listening to Honey Singh. उसके वजह से I've started listening to Badshah, Fateh, a lot of people. And I personally love Desi hip hop. I love Desi hip hop. Divine, Nazy, Kam Bhari, बहुत पसंद है मुझे. The most embarrassing thing you've done. Okay. सो फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड में मैंने पैंट में टट्टी कर दी थी, ठीक है. तो पूरी बात सुन लो अभी, लेट मी जस्टिफाई माई सेल्फ. तो फिफ्थ में वन डे मेरे को बहुत टट्टी है, आई थिंक आई हैड लूज मोशंस, ठीक है, फॉर दैट डे. एंड मैं स्कूल गया, एंड वो टाइम वी हैड स्विमिंग क्लासेस स्कूल में. सो इन स्कूल दे यूज्ड टू टेक अस टू दिस क्लब एंड वी यूज्ड टू गो फॉर स्विमिंग क्लासेस ओवर देयर. सो मैं गया विद माई एंटायर क्लास. सो आई सेड मैम मेरा बहुत पेट दुख रहा है, मैं स्विमिंग नहीं करूँगा दिस टाइम, आई जस्ट सिट डाउन. शी सेड या गो फॉर श्योर, बैठ जाओ. आई सेड मैम मेरा बहुत पेट दुख रहा है, तो क्या करूँ मैं. एक काम कर, पेट पे लेट जा. सो बोला ठीक है, मैं लेट गया. 5 मिनट के बाद आई फील बेटर नाउ, आई गेट अप. मैं उठा एंड देन मैं हक दिया पैंट में. आई वॉज रोमिंग अराउंड विद अ टॉवल. पूरे स्कूल में ऐसे ही घूम रहा था मैं, बिकॉज नो वन हैड एन एक्स्ट्रा पैंट विद देम, और कोई लाएगा भी क्यों. तो फिर या सो आई वॉज रोमिंग अराउंड माई चड्डी एंड इन माई टॉवल इन द एंटायर स्कूल. या दैट वॉज द मोस्ट एम्बैरेसिंग थिंग. Have you done any courses or something about fitness and nutrition? If yes, yeah. So I have done a course called ACSM, and I think you have to give 2 exams for that. So one is ESA exam, one is ACSM exam. ESA I've given, I've cleared that, and ACSM I have to still give due to the lockdown. उनके centers बंद हो गए थे. So once they open, फट से दे दूँगा. How much do you work out? I work out 6 days a week, 1 hour every day. Who are your 5 best people in your life? Okay, so first is my sister, my mom, my dad, Cherry and Beauty. If you don't know who Cherry Beauty are, Beauty is my dog. आपने देखा होगा मेरे पहले वाले वीडियो में for the leg workout. She is sleeping right now. And Cherry is another dog of mine. She is a Shih Tzu and Beauty is a Labrador. So yeah, my family is my life. What is your dream for life? Okay, so my dream is to provide for my family, give them whatever they desire, whatever they want. My dream is to buy my mom a house. Yeah, bungalow. सपने बड़े हैं मेरे. How many languages do you speak? I can speak 4 languages. One is English, Hindi, Marathi because I am Marathi, and Gujarati because of Kritesh. So yeah, I've picked up a few things such as Mane FIFA Rameche, which means, I think it means मुझे FIFA खेलना है. So yeah, that's what I've learned in 15 years. Your favorite Bollywood movie? Bhagam Bhag. Akshay Kumar, next level actor. Akshay Kumar is my favorite.